This instruction for the chest press is going to make your pectoral muscles, your chest muscles across the front, their shoulders, the arms, they're going to get a really good blood flow, good circulation. It stimulates some excellent strength. So today, let's get a good position. I have the double band here, and we're going to just go ahead and follow along, okay? Get your bands out, and we'll begin in just a moment. Thinking about how our posture, our lower back's in a good spot. We're going to bring the muscles across the front, and then we're going to come back, 2 and 3, out, 2, 3, tightening down, 2, 3, out, 2, 3, tightening. We're working to make sure that we stay tight across the front of the rib cage, moving the muscles, feeling them stretch for the muscle finder, and tightening and feeling them stretch. Here's 5 and 6. Breathing in, lowering it out, and 7. Follow along. Now make sure you're engaging those chest, shoulder muscles, tightening firm. As we work through these muscles and you follow along on this training, this exercise right here with your band or with your dumbbell, you're going to burn some of these muscles that we're tightening on that anaerobic, that strength burn. And last 2. And 1. There we go. That's our first set of 15. Let's keep that going. We're going to do multiple sets here. Making sure, again, you can use a single band or a double band like I have here, or dumbbells or a cable, won't matter. Just make sure that you have a good thoracic back position. Your lower back's up straight, but you're good thoracic back position. And then we'll begin again, and tightening and stretching. Exhaling and back smooth. There's 2 and 3 and there we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Zoning right in there, making sure you get that muscle burn across the chest, shoulder group. There's last 3, and 2, and 1. Here we go, nice. Great job getting 2 sets of 15 in like that with your bands. Get your muscle to burn. It gets to stimulate that strength and that anaerobic usage of those strength muscle fibers, and makes you breathe, right? That breathing and focus. Breathe in through the nose, nice and steady out. Boy, we get that muscle burn.